So you need foundation repairs, but they're a little expensive. What happens if you wait it out? Will it fix itself? Probably not. Will it get any worse? Let's dive into it. Foundation repair is one of the most expensive home repairs. It can cost as low as $2,000 or as much as $100,000, but our average project has steadily increased over the last 3 years. So far in 2022, our average foundation repair project has been roughly $28,000. Today you will learn what happens if you hold off on foundation repairs. There are several things that happen if you don't get repairs or even just hold off for a couple of years. If you hold off because you want to sell the home, it could affect the value of the home. When the home goes through the home inspection process, if any signs of foundation issues are pointed out, it could drop the value by about 30%. This is because banks won't lend on a home with foundation issues, leaving the seller to only deal with cash buyers or investors. These investors know that they have leverage and will offer 70 cents on the dollar. That's a pretty big portion of cash that you could be losing out on. If you're planning to just hold off for some time, then the repair costs could go up. If you wait, the settlement could get worse and could start affecting more areas of the home, which could add more to the price of repairs. Steel has been increasing in price ever since 2020, and it has now gone up by about 25 to 35%. With all of our piers being made of hot dip galvanized steel pipes, the price could go up quite a bit, especially due to not just installing one pier, but in most projects we're installing 8 to 12. Leaving a home with foundation issues for another time could cause irreversible damage to your home. The home could continue to settle, and when you get your foundation fixed eventually, you might still have a slope in your foundation due to the piers not being able to recover the full amount of settlement. So now that you know what could happen if you hold off on repairs, please click the Schedule a Free Foundation Inspection up at the top right-hand corner of our website. From there, you will be introduced to one of our project design specialists who can help you fix your foundation. Thank you for watching the video, and remember to never settle on an unsafe home. Thank you for watching the video, and remember to never settle for an unsafe home.